In Bangladesh, most people don't have access to normal banking. They are the unbanked and have to rely on old-fashioned physical cash money. This makes daily life complicated and exposes the weakest to the risk of theft. Yet, only 13% of the 160 million population use the existing easy-to-use and safe mobile payment banking systems, even if almost everyone has a mobile phone.
Now, with the growth of digitalization as well as the growth of mobile financial services, these people can be brought under the formal financial transaction so that it leads to financial inclusion.
We found that the biggest barrier for adapting mobile banking was of a more mental nature. Bangladeshis were so accustomed to cash money that they couldn't let go of the habit. So, we developed an innovative mobile wallet solution that replaces unfamiliar QR codes and tech with something Bangladeshi cash users are more familiar with: virtual banknotes. Custom designed to look and feel familiar to even the most conservative users of cash, and made to depict every possible amount. No amount too big or too small. Each virtual banknote has their unique virtual notes on the UPay app. Intuitive, easy to use, and effectively breaking down the mental barriers.
We overcome this problem by incorporating the digital note. UPay will substantially contribute to bring the unbanked people into banking transactions.
People got talking about mobile banking, and more people overcame their barriers and stepped into the modern world of mobile banking with the help of good old-fashioned banknotes.